It's looking beautiful. I just installed BC coils, so we finna go for a spin, man. If y'all are wondering what it feels like to drive an F30 after installing BC coilovers, today we find out. Let's get it. One of the first things I've noticed is that the springs feel stiffer. When I'm hitting bumps and everything, it feels stiffer. Keep in mind, before I put on these BC coils, I was on stock shocks in the rear and H&R Super Sport lowering springs. And in the front, I was on H&R Super Sport lowering springs with a Bilstein B8 strut. That Bilstein B8 was pretty stiff in the front, I must say, but it feels nothing like the way the car feels now with this full coilover kit on from BC. I mean, it just feels planted. It almost feels like a whole nother car suspension wise. I don't even know if this is legal. Feels insane. God, it feels so good, guys. Feels insane. Did you guys know if you're in sport mode in the sport gearbox and you tap the gas, it downshifts? Watch this. Jesus, it feels amazing. I mean, look how I'm taking this corner. Look at that M2 right there. I feel like I'm in an M2 right now. Let's go down this road to the left and get a pull in. Oh my God, that feels insane. Car just feels so like planted to the ground. Like whenever I'm making turns and everything, I can feel that the car is lower, the center of gravity. I mean, the car is not rolling at all. I'm not feeling any body roll at all in the car, which is crazy. If I go and try to do donuts in this thing right now, I mean, it'll probably slide like butter. People looking at me with this GoPro on my head like, what is this guy doing? It's for the content. Let's get a quick pull in. Feels incredible. Appreciate y'all for tapping on this quick POV, man. I know it's pretty quick, but I just had to show y'all, man. The car is taking corners right now, pulling beautifully. It's sounding wonderfully, man. After Orlando, we'll go ahead and get the downpipe and the intercooler, and we'll go ahead and get stage 2 going. Right now, ooh, speed bump. Gonna go to Florida, just slammed. Intake sounding beautiful just like this, man. I might even adjust the height on this in a minute. Yo, my young boys be hooping out there, man. My young boys, man.
She still hood, she'll shoot you in your ass.